Welcome to my YouTube channel. As I mentioned, I had a pressing demand to create a video on interview tips, which I somehow tried to cover up in part 1 video. Here I am also plan to share some other tips based on my experience in this video. But before we start for this part 2 of the video, I'll request you all to subscribe my channel and more importantly hit the bell icon so as soon as I post a video here you'll get an immediate alert. In part 1 of the video we have seen the various issues related to the behavioral aspect in interview room, confidence level, honesty, etc. However, in this part of the video we'll cover up the various type of questions being asked in the interview. There are basically two type of questions are being asked in the interview. One is related to check your personality, like your hobbies, strength, weakness, your teamwork, integrity, conflict management, etc. And second is related to your technical knowledge, which will be definitely related to your job work. Before we go to the various questions, I must inform you that prior to going to the interview, please visit the company website and find out the information on the company about their profile, their activity level, their expansion plan, their net and gross margin, etc. Because by knowing this information, it will help you framing up your answer appropriately, meeting to the requirement of the company. In the interview, you must have seen the first and basic question is asked, tell me about yourself. Don't take this question very lightly because this is the most important question and you should be well prepared to answer this question. Because this question is going to set the framework for the rest of the interview. Like when you answer this question, it should not be too short and it should not be too long, and it should cover all the major work which you have carried out in your previous organizations. You should include only those works on which you are comfortable and you can handle any sort of a discussion on that area. Also try to include all those work which you did in your previous organization which may be useful for the organization where you are interviewed currently. This way you will be in position to connect your previous work with the requirement of the new company. If you are successful handling this question well, then your 50% battle is won. Because the next round of the questions will be definitely based on the answers given for the first question, tell me about yourself. And now since you are told all the things which is on which you are confident handling any sort of a situation, then you will be comfortable handling the answer for others. The subsequent 2 or 3 questions are expected from the answer given from the first question, tell me about yourself, and which will be definitely a technical question. You will not have any difficulty answering this question or having discussion on this question because these questions are coming up from your favorite topic. So now you must understand what is the importance of the first question or response to the first question. Whenever the second and third question is being asked, then in the first question your reply was very briefly, but here your reply should be with complete detail. Like say, if suppose in your organization you have developed an application on auto fan generation and the subsequent question is being asked, what you did on auto fan generation, then you should describe the complete work starting from the problem area which instigated you to develop this application or think of about this application and describe the minute detail when while you have done for the development work and the benefit out of this application. So follow the same path for all the technical questions asked in the interview. There may be some technical question which may be related to the routine work and expected to describe the process for that work. So describe the process in this work, but at the same time you should include the changes which you have made in that process to make work more smoother. For example, you are being asked to describe the unloading process of rail wagon. So describe the process completely, but include the improvement like increasing the height of the vent pipe to avoid the spillage, implementation of the side glass, color coding on the hose pipe, etc. This way you are exhibiting your attitude towards the change and improvement, as well as you are showing your capability for innovation and creativity. Sometimes the surprise may come you by the way of asking the question which is not related to the job under discussion. Like at junior level, you are working as a gantry in charge and you are being interviewed for the gantry in charge in another company. But the question is being asked on the tank farm operation or the security check process at the gate. This is being asked to check your interest level in other related work area. Here you are not expected to be perfect in your reply, but you should reply in whatever way you know the details. So this way it is definitely a question which is being asked to check your interest level in other work area. Definitely there may be some question related to the HR and safety related issue where again you are expected to reply reasonably. During the course of the technical question, there may be in between questions will be asked on your personality check, like how do you handle the conflict situation? Are you a good team player? Always try to respond this question with the example of the work which you did in the previous organization. So by adopting this philosophy, you are trying to show like what answer you are giving is just not a bookish knowledge, but you really mean it and it is connected to your work which you handled in the previous organization. In the personality check question, the one most tricky question is tell me about your weakness. The answer to this question should be framed up very appropriately and should not reflect the negativity on your part. And somehow the answer or response should be converted so as this weakness also get converted to your strength. There may be some question on your ambition, your current company, package, etc. There is no standard reply to it, but you can find out or you can write down the response for this kind of a question from your previous work experience. So that is what all about in this video, friends. In fact, I had a collection of around 80 to 100 question and answer which I made around 20 years back based on my work experience and my thinking level. What I'll do, I will post this question and answer in one of the video so as you can take the question from there, see my answer and frame up your own answer and make a document for yourself and make it ready yourself all the time for facing any kind of an interview. So thank you once again, friends, for patiently hearing me. I once again request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and more importantly hit the bell icon so as you can get an immediate alert as soon as I'll post a video on my YouTube channel.